So my name is Luke. I have my daughter Remy and son Riker next to me, and my wife Sarah is tending to our newborn Ruben. And so basically what happened with our story about our home is we were looking for our first home, first time buyers, and we found a little house out in Enumclaw, and did all the right things because we weren't sure what to do as far as inspections go, and got the house inspected, signed our papers, got our keys, and it has a little attic above, and we thought it'd be a perfect little play area for our kids. The second day of having our keys, I started pulling some insulation down that was upstairs just because it was old, and I noticed all the insulation was sticking to the roof, and underneath that was just all mold, and there was a couple times in a couple spots my hand started falling through the roof. So by then we called the inspector back, and they pretty much blew us off, said that there was nothing we could do. They wouldn't help us out. They said the inspection was done. We tried many other resources, contacting attorneys and whatnot, to try and get the inspector to cover the areas that were missed. That was uneventful, and so we had, I would say, half a dozen roofing companies come out in the area, and none of them would touch the roof because of the damage that was done. All of it was rotted out. Some of the stick framing was all rotten out too because it had been so long. There was no ventilation in the roof at all. So during that time, we were nominated by my mother-in-law for the Halo Project. And then she started sharing it on her Facebook page, and then people there started nominating us, and it kind of just spiraled from then on. And then one day my wife got the call from Lori saying, "You guys want a free roof?" They set up a meeting. They came over here one afternoon, and we kind of talked it all out, and just the stress that it put on the situation of owning a house and raising kids was pretty stressful for my wife and I, and it was really amazing to hear that a company was willing to help a family in need, and Guardian has just been amazing every step of the way.